This video was requested by Nobody, CHEZE2 Animation Group, Aubrey the Plotagon Girl 2K2, and Shamsundar 1997.
Man, I really hate getting grounded. What am I going to do? That gives me an idea. I will make a bootleg kids show of SpongeBob SquarePants.
When Moldy Woody finished the show.
Now it's time to deliver it to someone's house. No, not that house. That's Hello Neighbor's house. And how did I become a floating head? Perfect! Now just put the box down carefully. Just like that.
Time to go outside. Wait a minute, is that a box? I think someone delivered it. But, let's just take it inside. Alright, now, what's inside the box? Wow, a DVD copy of SpongeBob SquarePants. That show was my childhood, let's put it in.
Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Oh.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Who has a stupid fat pink queen? SpongeBob SquarePants. Loves his job very much. SpongeBob SquarePants. And loves his pet snail. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Do.
What? That's not the lyrics. I think there is a change up.
Hey Patrick, wanna have some cigarettes?
Yeah, SpongeBob.
Excuse me, you two. Smoking cigarettes in a corner is illegal.
Off your black police officer.
I don't remember this episode.
When Moldy Woody made another copy and delivered to another house. Why is there a box? I didn't order anything. Is that a DVD of SpongeBob SquarePants? I don't know, but let's put it in. When Finn watched the intro. Those are not the lyrics. I think Nickelodeon changed the lyrics.
Hey Patrick, think of an instrument.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Patrick, you dumb. Why the? A mayonnaise be an instrument.
I don't know. Wow.
I don't remember this show, and why was there swearing? Why is Patrick a human? When everyone watched the bootleg SpongeBob SquarePants.
This is a serious?
Hang on, Aubrey, I think this is a wrong camera. Can someone stop the music?
Just change the settings.
Oh, right, take 2.
This is Plotagon News. Someone have been making bootleg kids shows of SpongeBob SquarePants. We have SpongeBob on live here. Go ahead, SpongeBob. What is going on around in Plotagon City?
Well, someone been making bootleg kids shows of my own TV show. I don't know who did, but I think it's someone from the Woodpeckers.
There you go, everyone. It is someone from the Woodpeckers. See you on another news. This is Aubrey, signing out.
Wait! Someone's been making bootleg kids shows of SpongeBob SquarePants. That show is my childhood. Why would someone make this bootleg kids show of that?
Hi Woody. Woody, are you okay?
Oh, Moldy freaking Woody. I think you were the one who made the Bootleg Kids show of SpongeBob SquarePants. That show is my childhood, and you made Bootleg Kids show of that. Why, Moldy Woody, why? That is freaking it. You're grounded for 64 weeks. Go to your freaking room. Right. Freaking now. Wah.
Haha, got him.